Although it tastes a little sour, the tamarind plant is believed to have many benefits that are a pity to miss. Thanks to the nutritional content in it, tamarind is widely used to prevent and treat various health problems. Tamarind is a tropical plant originating from India. This plant is in the form of a tree and produces edible fruit and is used as an ingredient in cooking and beverage concoctions. A number of benefits of tamarind for health can be obtained thanks to the nutritional content in it, namely vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin K, amino acids, and various minerals, such as calcium, potassium, magnesium, selenium, and iron. Apart from being a basic ingredient for food and beverages, tamarind is also often used to treat various health problems. The following are some of the benefits of tamarind for health. One. Treating dry eyes. Tamarind seed extract is thought to be used as eye drops to relieve dry eye symptoms. According to a number of studies, tamarind seeds contain substances similar to liquid to coat the surface of the eyeball and protect the surface of the cornea. Two. Overcoming constipation. The content of tartaric acid, malic acid, and potassium in tamarind is believed to have a laxative or laxative effect to smooth bowel movements and overcome constipation. In addition, tamarind is also thought to be able to overcome various other digestive problems, such as intestinal worm infections, impaired liver and bile function, and symptoms of nausea in pregnancy. However, further research is needed to determine its effectiveness and safety for the body. Three. Maintain heart health. A number of studies state that the flavonoid content in tamarind can also improve heart health. This is because flavonoids have antioxidant properties that play a role in lowering high blood pressure and high cholesterol. Both of these conditions are known to increase the risk of heart disease. Four. Prevent cancer. In addition to maintaining heart health, antioxidants in tamarind also play a role in preventing cancer. This benefit is thought to come from the content of antioxidants that can prevent cell damage due to free radicals and inhibit the growth of cancer cells. In addition to the various benefits of tamarind mentioned above, this fruit also has other properties that are known to be good for body health, such as controlling blood sugar levels, overcoming obesity, and preventing various bacterial infections in the digestive tract. Apart from the benefits, it is important to know that some of the benefits of tamarind above still require further research and clinical trials to ensure their effectiveness. In addition, there is still no definite information regarding the safe dosage of tamarind for consumption. Therefore, tamarind cannot be used as a substitute for certain drugs. If you are on the treatment of a disease and want to regularly consume tamarind, you need to consult a doctor first to ensure its safety.